Hello students, this is Cyril Andrews, your new English teacher, and today we are going to begin with English literature for class 2. Chapter 2, Bukka learns a lesson. Now first of all, what I want you all to do is just color this picture. Okay, as you can see, this is a mother elephant and a child elephant. Just color this picture. Now we shall begin with the chapter. Remember, you are all big animals. The older elephants warn the juniors. So, out here, the older elephants warns the smaller elephants that they are all big animals, right? Because elephant is a big animal. When lying down on the ground, you must watch out for snails. See that you don't crush them under your weight. It is the snail that tells you when the flood water enters the forest. So the senior animals, the bigger animals, they warn their baby animals, the baby elephants, right? That whenever they are lying down on the ground, just to watch that they do not crush any of these snails, because these snails are the ones which inform them about the flood water which is entering the forest. Okay, so these elephant parents warns them not to crush the snails under their weight. Next, check to see if there are baby squirrels in the hollows of the tree when you shake the branches of a tree to pick up fruits. Then these animals will be the first ones to give you news of any danger. The squirrel will bring you news of an approaching forest fire. Next, what the older elephants warn the younger one is, they want them to just see if there are any baby squirrels in the hollows of the tree whenever they are shaking the branches of a tree to pick up fruits. Now elephants, they shake the branches of a tree with their trunk, okay, and with that only they pick up fruits. So they are just warned to see whether some squirrels are there on the hollow, that means on the hole of the tree, so that they do not get harmed because of the sudden shake. And the reason is because the squirrel brings the news of an approaching forest fire. Next, the older elephants do not only teach the young elephants how to live in harmony with others, but also teach them how to live in harmony among their own kind. So the older elephants, they do not only teach the younger elephants how to live in harmony, which means how to live in a peaceful situation with other animals, but even teach them how to live in a peaceful situation with their own kind, which means with other elephants as well. When you get news of good food, the elders tell the juniors, you must not eat alone. You must send a message to others, and if any member of the herd faces danger, everyone must rush to help. You should always remember, however big you are, you might face danger if you are alone. So the elder elephants warn the younger one, okay, that whenever, even if they get any good food, any news of good food, right, they should not eat it alone. They should first of all send a message to other elephants, to other members, and if any members of the herd faces danger, everyone must rush to help. Any members of the herd means any other elephant, if they face any danger from any other animals like lion, tiger, or any other animals, so the other elephants must help them in danger, because no matter how big you are, you might face danger if you are alone. But if you are all together, no danger can approach you easily. So the young elephants listened to their elders with rapt attention. Rapt attention means complete attention. Okay? But out here we can see only Bukka does not like to listen to all this. Bukka knows that one day he will become the leader of the herd. He will become huge and have those big tusks. Big tusks are these, the teeth, right, which can be seen. Big tusks. Everyone in the jungle will be afraid of him. So Bukka doesn't bother to make friends with those small creatures at all. Now, Bukka's thinking is that he doesn't like to listen to all this. He knows that one day he will be the leader of the herd. The leader of the herd means the leader of all the elephants out there. He will become huge and have those big tusks. He will become huge means he will grow into a very big elephant and he will be having a very big tusk out here. Alright? And everyone in the jungle will be afraid of him. So Bukka doesn't bother to make friends with those small little creatures. He thinks himself to be the best and he doesn't need any help. Am I a fool that I will share any good food that I find? Thinks Bukka. In fact, I should be eating all that good food, shouldn't I? I have to grow up quickly. After all, I have to become the leader one day. So what Bukka thinks is, he thinks that he is not a fool and why should he share all the good food that he finds? Right? Because the food which he finds belongs to him totally and he should not be sharing it with anyone else. In fact, he should be eating all that good food himself, instead of sharing it with anyone else because he even has to grow up quickly and after all, he has to become the leader one day. He needs to become the strongest one out there. So Bukka breaks off flowers and also branches with nests. Now what Bukka does is, he breaks off all the beautiful flowers and also the branches with nests without considering that he could have harmed any other creatures. He crushes snails underfoot. What he does it? He crushes the snails underfoot. As the elder elephants had warned the younger ones not to do so, but still he used to do it. Okay, because he enjoyed doing it. He squirts water into rabbit hole with his trunk. So what he used to do is, he used to collect water in his trunk and sprinkle it and pour it into the rabbit holes. All the animals are tired of his mischief. All the animals are tired of his mischief means they were very irritated with his behavior, with his pranks. So one day they complained to the leader of the elephant herd. Please do something. They tell the leader, Bukka is becoming very naughty. The leader hears them out and realizes that naughty Bukka needs to be taught a lesson. So when the other animals in the forest they cannot take it anymore, what they do is they approach the leader of the elephants and they tell them about the mischiefs which Bukka does. So Bukka is becoming very naughty and the leader realizes that yes, because of Bukka mischievous, many other animals are even falling into trouble. And the leader decides to teach Bukka a lesson. Now